Hello, welcome back with the next video on how you can exit from recovery mode. Sometimes your phone just accidentally go into recovery mode and you don't know how to fix it. So with this video, I'm gonna share you how you can fix your device stuck in recovery mode, and it does work with just one simple click. One more thing that I want to mention with this method, your data will be preserved and it doesn't erase the data, so don't worry about it. In order to exit recovery mode, you can just simply plug in the USB cable into your phone, and then you're gonna use the software called Reiboot. And with Reiboot, it supports both Windows and Mac. Once you connect your phone and open Reiboot, you're gonna see this message. So it allows you to exit recovery mode. So just simply hit on exit, and you can see my phone will be exit recovery mode immediately, and then it will go into my lock screen again. So you can wait here. Now you can see I can going back into my lock screen, and you can see the message here, it is successfully. And if you have more problems on your phone, you can also click on repair. So with the repair button, you can fix almost all of the issues on your phone. For example, when your phone stuck in Apple logo, or it's stuck in boot loop, or it doesn't turn on, or it is disabled. So all of these issues you can fix by using Reiboot. And all you have to do, just connect your phone, and then you can click on fix now, and then you can follow the instruction from Reiboot. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video help all of you guys, and then I will catch you guys in the next one.